What if I told you that being selfish would actually make you more connected to the universe? Sounds crazy, right? If the idea that selfishness creates isolation is one of the biggest myths we have never believed, in this video, we are going to debunk the illusion of selflessness to reveal how your individual growth is deeply linked with the cosmic web of universal consciousness. Since childhood, we have been told that being selfish is wrong, that focusing on yourself means disconnecting from others. Society romanticized the selfless hero and demonized the selfish one. But here is the paradox. When you ignore your own needs, your energy drains. When your cup is empty, you can't pour into the others. So, what if true self interest isn't about isolation but about alignment? Because when you thrive, everyone connected to the thrives too. Think about it. A person who takes care of their body, mind, and spirit radiates positivity. A well rested parent raises calmer children. A fulfilled artist inspires others to create. This is the power of enlightened self interest, where your well being naturally benefits the collective. Your energy, choices, and mindset ripple through the web of humanity, influencing more people than you realize. Science now confirms what ancient wisdom has always whispered: we are wired for connection. Mirror neurons in our brain allow us to feel what others feel. Act of kindness and empathy activate the same pleasure centers as rewards and success. So, when you act with compassion, even for yourself, your brain literally rewards you. Self love isn't selfish, it's neurobiology working to keep us united. Now let's zoom out. If you aren't separate from the universe, but an expression of it, many ancient traditions, from Vedic philosophy to indigenous teachings, speak of universal self. In this view, when you nourish yourself, you are actually nourishing the universe expression through you. Selfishness then becomes an illusion because there was never a self that stood apart in the first place. Imagine a world where success isn't measured by what you own but by what many lives your joy touches, where growth isn't competition but collaboration. You can live this truth daily through conscious choices. By critically, listen deeply, heal yourself so others feel safe to heal too. Because when you rise, the world rises with you. That's the real definition of universal connection. So, next time someone calls you selfish for choosing yourself, just smile. Because maybe, just maybe, you are practicing the most profound form of connection there is. Is this idea resonated? Share it. Let's spread the awakening together. Comment I choose connection below and subscribe for the insights and consciousness, energy, and inner growth. Thank you.